Warning. Wikipedia is a crowdsourced encyclopedia. Pages may contain information that is incorrect. This is why many educators do not consider Wikipedia as a source. The following is the top 5 wiki pages during the day. Lewis Tomlinson. Lewis William Tomlinson, born the 24th of December 1991, is an English singer, songwriter and television personality. He is a member of the boy band One Direction and began his career as an actor, appearing in ITV drama film If I Had You and the BBC drama Waterloo Road. In 2010, he became a member of One Direction after being eliminated as a solo contestant on the British music competition series The X Factor. Just Hold On was released as Tomlinson's debut single as a solo artist in December 2016. It peaked at number 2 on the UK singles chart and was certified gold in both the UK and US. In 2017, Tomlinson released Back to You with American singer B. Brixha and Miss You. In 2013, Tomlinson was signed as a footballer by Doncaster Rovers of the Football League Championship on a non-contract basis. The same year he also formed his own record label, Triple Strings, as an imprint of One Direction's label Sicko. He appeared on Deborah's 2017 list of the most influential people in the UK. Black hole. A black hole is a region of space-time exhibiting such strong gravitational effects that nothing, not even particles and electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape from inside it. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass can deform space-time to form a black hole. The boundary of the region from which no escape is possible is called the event horizon. Although the event horizon has an enormous effect on the fate and circumstances of an object crossing it, no locally detectable features appear to be observed. In many ways a black hole acts like an ideal black body, as it reflects no light. Moreover, quantum field theory in curved space-time predicts that event horizons emit Hawking radiation, with the same spectrum as a black body of a temperature inversely proportional to its mass. This temperature is on the order of billionths of a Kelvin for black holes of stellar mass, making it essentially impossible to observe. Objects whose gravitational fields are too strong for light to escape were first considered in the 18th century by John Michell and Pierre-Simon Laplace. The first modern solution of general relativity that would characterize a black hole was found by Carl Schwarzschild in 1916. Although its interpretation as a region of space from which nothing can escape was first published by David Finkelstein in 1958. Black holes were long considered a mathematical curiosity. It was during the 1960s that theoretical work showed they were a generic prediction of general relativity. The discovery of neutron stars by Jocelyn Bell Burnell in 1967 sparked interest in gravitationally collapsed compact objects as a possible astrophysical reality. Black holes of stellar mass are expected to form when very massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycle. After a black hole has formed, it can continue to grow by absorbing mass from its surroundings. By absorbing other stars and merging with other black holes, supermassive black holes of millions of solar masses, may form. There is general consensus that supermassive black holes exist in the centers of most galaxies. Despite its invisible interior, the presence of a black hole can be inferred through its interaction with other matter and with electromagnetic radiation such as visible light. Matter that falls onto a black hole can form an external accretion disk heated by friction, forming some of the brightest objects in the universe. If there are other stars orbiting a black hole, their orbits can be used to determine the black hole's mass and location. Such observations can be used to exclude possible alternatives such as neutron stars. In this way, astronomers have identified numerous stellar black hole candidates in binary systems, and established that the radio source known as Sagittarius A, at the core of the Milky Way galaxy, contains a supermassive black hole of about 4.3 million solar masses. On the 11th of February 2016, the LIGO collaboration announced the first direct detection of gravitational waves, which also represented the first observation of a black hole merger. As of December 2018, 11 gravitational wave events have been observed that originated from 10 merging black holes, along with one binary neutron star merger. On the 10th of April 2019, the first ever direct image of a black hole and its vicinity was published. Following observations made by the Event Horizon Telescope in 2017 of the supermassive black hole in Messier 87's galactic center. Messier 87. Messier 87, also known as Virgo A or NGC 4486, generally abbreviated to M87, is a supergiant elliptical galaxy in the constellation Virgo. One of the most massive galaxies in the local universe. It has a large population of globular clusters, about 12,000 compared with the 150-200 orbiting the Milky Way, and a jet of energetic plasma that originates at the core and extends at least 1,500 parsecs, 4,900 light-years, traveling at relativistic speed. It is one of the brightest radio sources in the sky, and a popular target for both amateur and professional astronomers. The French astronomer Charles Messier discovered M87 in 1781, and catalogued it as a nebulous feature while searching for objects that would otherwise confuse comet hunters. M87 is located about 16.4 million parsecs, 53 million light-years, from Earth and is the second brightest galaxy within the northern Virgo cluster, having many satellite galaxies. Unlike a disk-shaped spiral galaxy, M87 has no distinctive dust lanes. Instead, it has an almost featureless, ellipsoidal shape typical of most giant elliptical galaxies, diminishing in luminosity with distance from the center. Forming around 1/6 of its mass, M87's stars have an spherically symmetric distribution. Their population density decreases with increasing distance from the core. It has an active supermassive black hole at its core, which forms the primary component of an active galactic nucleus. The black hole was imaged in 2017 by the Event Horizon Telescope, with a final, processed image released on the 10th of April 2019. The galaxy is a strong source of multi-wavelength radiation, particularly radio waves. Its galactic envelope extends to a radius of about 150 kiloparsecs, 490,000 light-years, where it is truncated possibly by an encounter with another galaxy. Its interstellar medium consists of diffuse gas enriched by elements emitted from evolved stars. Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Bilaspur is a city in Bilaspur district in the Indian state of Chhattisgarh. Bilaspur is the administrative headquarters of Bilaspur district and Bilaspur division. The Chhattisgarh High Court, located at Bodri, district Bilaspur, has privileged it with the title Nyayadhini, Hindi, law capital, of the state. The Bilaspur High Court is the largest high court of Asia. This city is the commercial center and business hub of Northeast Chhattisgarh region. It is also an important city for the Indian Railways, as it is the headquarters for Southeast Central Railway Zone and the Bilaspur Railway Division. Bilaspur is third cleanest and fourth longest railway station in India. Bilaspur is also the headquarters of Southeastern Coalfields Limited. Many power plants including NTPC, Sipata near Bilaspur. Bilaspur is known for its aromatic rice variety named Dubraj rice, handloom woven colorful soft kosa silk saris. Basic Taza Silkworm Seed Organization, BTSSO, www.btsso.org under the Central Silk Board, Government of India collects, executes the production and supply of nucleus and basic Taza seed from surrounding areas. Bilaspur has been selected as one of the 100 Indian cities to be developed as a smart city under the Smart Cities mission. Number sign. Not to be confused with the Chinese character, the sharp sign, the Viewdata square, the numero sign, the equal and parallel to symbol, or the game tic-tac-toe's grid. The symbol is most commonly known as the number sign, hash, or pound sign. The symbol has historically been used for a wide range of purposes, including the designation of an ordinal number and as a ligature abbreviation for pound savitapois, having been derived from the Nauruan dart. Since 2007, widespread usage of the symbol to introduce metadata tags on social media platforms has led to such tags being known as hashtags, and from that, the symbol itself is sometimes incorrectly called a hashtag. The symbol is defined in Unicode and as CRSU plus 0023 number sign, HTML and number 35, and ennum, and HTML5. It is graphically similar to several other symbols, including the sharp, from musical notation, and the equal and parallel symbol, from mathematics. but is distinguished by its combination of level horizontal strokes and right tilting vertical strokes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.